Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Kia Soul key fob battery. First, gather your essential tools: a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR2032 coin cell battery. Having these items ready will make the process smooth and efficient. You'll find this task quite simple, typically taking less than 5 minutes to complete. Let's get started with the first step. Now, let's open the key fob. Begin by locating the small release button, usually found on the side of the fob. Press this button firmly to slide out the emergency key blade. This action reveals a small slot or seam. Carefully insert your small flathead screwdriver into this opening and gently twist to separate the two halves of the key fob casing. Be gentle to avoid damaging the plastic. With the key fob open, you'll see the old battery. Take a moment to observe its orientation, noting which side faces up. Using your small flathead screwdriver, carefully pry out the old CR2032 coin cell battery. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and insert it into the slot, ensuring the positive side, which usually has a plus sign, is facing upwards. It should click securely into place. Finally, let's reassemble and test your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the key fob casing. Press them together firmly until you hear a distinct click, indicating they are securely closed. Don't forget to slide the emergency key blade back into its slot. Now, test all the functions of your key fob, such as locking and unlocking the doors, to confirm that the new battery is working correctly. You're all set.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.